Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the payment method in the G7 Taxi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the payment/tip button. And then click on the add a credit card button. So first you have to provide your card number, the expiration date, and the CVV number, which is at the back of your card. And once you're ready, just click on the validate button and the card is registered. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.